And there was more than just heat in the air. Kansas health officials had to issue an air quality advisory.
You know, you don't like to see that the haze on these really nice days when we finally get a chance to get outside.
It's all because of smoke from burning in the Flint Hills region. You could even see it from high spots in our area. KSHB 41 Jackson County reporter Braden Bates brings us the voices of people enjoying the warm weather and a local physician.
You may have noticed a haze around Kansas City. Now, would you believe if I told you that this haze is coming from 100 miles south of us, where they're doing prescribed burns? Well, as the Jackson County reporter, I came here to Lee's Summit, and I heard from an athlete who says she's noticing some of the air quality concerns.
I feel like congested little tickles in my throat and more dust on the trail than normal.
Stephanie Charles is an Ironman.
I did 36 miles today.
Get this, she biked from Lee's Summit to the Truman Sports Complex and back while Kansas City is under an air quality alert.
We tend to see an increase in ER visits for those vulnerable populations once exposed.
Stephanie doesn't fall under that category, but knows when the air is different.
I've read enough around town that you can tell when the weather's not right or something's blowing in from out of town.
On Friday, most of the Kansas City metro fell under the moderate category, meaning the air quality could impact sensitive groups.
There are just some common sense measures, and the first one is avoidance.
And despite the warning, people took advantage of the day.
That's Missouri. Like, we've seen everything in the last 7 days, every kind of weather we could get.
She's right. The work week began with snow and below freezing temps. And by Friday, we saw record-breaking heat.
You know, you don't like to see that the haze on these really nice days when we finally get a chance to get outside and you have to worry about, am I going to be coughing? Am I going to be sniffling?
The best way to stay informed?
People should kind of keep track of the air quality index. You can do that by going to airnow.gov or you're watching your local news station and weather report.
Hey, I got my notification right here on Channel 41. I'm Jackson County reporter Brady Bates, KSHB 41 News.
And you can scan that QR code on your screen to connect with Braden. He covers all things Jackson County. You can also send him an email the old-fashioned way, braden.bates@kshb.com.